no big loose. Light. Sharing snacks with all our friends. A happy lunchbox never ends. What's inside your lunchbox? Now we all know. Eating healthy helps us grow. Tummy's full, we're feeling great. Now it's time to clean our plate. Lunchtime's over, let's clean up. Wipe the table, throw trash in the cup. Teddy and Mason